To delete your Apollo Pharmacy account, the process isn't as straightforward as simply clicking a Delete Account button in your profile. If you visit your Apollo account, you'll notice that there is no direct option to delete the account from within the profile settings. However, you can still request to have your account removed by contacting their customer support team. The first step is to reach out to Apollo Pharmacy's customer support. You can do this by visiting the Contact Us section on either the Apollo Pharmacy website or the mobile app. Alternatively, you can directly email them at grievances@apollopharmacy.org with your account deletion request. When contacting support, make sure to clearly state that you want your account permanently deleted. Include any relevant details such as your registered email address or phone number to help them process your request more efficiently. The customer support team may ask for further information or confirmation before proceeding, so be prepared to follow any instructions they provide. If your primary reason for wanting to delete the account is to remove saved payment details, there is another option. You can go to the Manage Payments section within your profile on the Apollo Pharmacy website or app. From there, you may be able to delete or deregister stored payment methods without fully deleting the account.